Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today I'll show you LeadPro SaaS, Lead and Call Center Management CRM. This is our admin panel. You can see dashboard. It's active campaigns, total follow-up, call made, salesman booking, follow-up. Another option is product. You can add new product, edit and delete also. Then expense manage, expense category, you can create expense category. Then expense, you can see all expense data. Then user manage, staff manage, you can add staff, edit and delete also. Then salesman, you can add salesman and salesman booking. Then call manage, campaigns, lead and call, lead calls, lead notice, then lead follow up, lead table field, then messaging, email template, from settings, can set profile, lead status, roles and permission, currency, email setup, company setup, then subscribers. All you can customize. You can update your profile information. This is logout button. If you need it, check the link in the description. For the installing help, contact us.